I want some more of that. That was good, Taji. That was so good. Oh my God, Taji. Oh, please. I'll sit here all day. So, me and Taji is currently at a barbecue. Pretty nice. She's about to play this frisbee game. And it's all in the wrist, not the elbow.
Okay.
That was a good one. Ooh, that was a good one. Nice.
I'm getting good at this. Better than you.
Nice.
What's up, little baby? Welcome back to Taz and Linda. I'm Taz. Today we'll be doing something a little special, a little different, as you can see. I'm baking. I'm baking what? Baking some dog treats for my dog, Macy. My Ace. Where you at? Come here, Ace.
Ooh, bacon.
We're friends now. Anyway, I'm making the dog treats for her. I'm prepping, trying to learn, because she got a birthday coming up. And we have a little party. And for that party, I gotta make her some treats. So I'm gonna have her test them out today. Let's not forget, come on. I gotta help her. I got Lisiana with us today. She's gonna help us put these dog treats together and be my test taster.
Test taster? You don't taste the dog food? Well, it is good food, yeah. It was.
Alright. So first things first, you're gonna need 1 cup of pumpkin. So that's what we got here already prepped up. Dap that in there.
Wow.
Boom. That was good.
That was really good.
And then next up, we got that 1/2 cup of peanut butter.
You don't need a spoon.
Yeah, you're gonna use that spoon that you just slob all over, but it's all good. Gotta get it all out.
Get it all out.
Alright. Very nice, very nice. Appreciate it. Alright, next up, we're gonna put in 2 eggs. Make sure you don't get the shell in there, and if you do, take it out. Right there. And then we're gonna hit the 1/4 for oil. 2.5 cups whole wheat flour. Alright, so yeah, it's 1 teaspoon, so that's a half. We do 2 halves, we got 1. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. We make our shapes.
That was nice.
You want hard to do this one. take your cookies or your treats, your biscuits, put them on the top rack at $3.50. Don't forget that. I'll be right back, and what we're gonna do is make the bacon glaze to go over the biscuits. The last part of this is pretty simple. This is to make the glaze. The instructions originally told me I needed 2 tablespoons, either coconut oil, grease from the bacon, or any type of fatty type thing that I can put in the freezer and it'll get hard. So what I end up doing, because I didn't have enough bacon grease, I had 1 tablespoon or half a tablespoon of bacon grease, a half a tablespoon of the coconut oil, and then what I'm gonna do to finish it off to make the numbers I guess equal is take a little bit of this broth and add that into the mix as well. Now, the reason for the coconut oil, some people may be wondering, like, could they use another oil? Yes, you can. I'm also using coconut oil, though, for the extra benefits that it has for the pet. For instance, my dog, I want to maintain her hair, and for me to do that, I can use stuff like coconut oil. And not only that, I can use it, too. So, hey, buy one, get one free. Next up, I got 1/4 that I already measured out of peanut butter. To add. Get everything together in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it until it's really smooth. Wow, I'm pretty impressed. Some of these trees look pretty big, so they most definitely, this could work for big dogs. It could work for little dogs. This is something I plan to give to Macy's because it's smaller. Some little treats. You can make little bowls. So I'm gonna try it real quick.
What do they like? They like peanut butter and pumpkin.
Peanut butter is busting. Wow. Wow.
All right, bring Macy. Bring Macy. Nice.
Paw.
You like it?
I did a good job. Paw.
Can you give a paw?
Can I get a paw?
Paw?
Can I get a paw? Not today. Paw.
Paw. Yeah. Good girl. Hi, Jersey. Ready to try a treat? Bite it.
Ooh.
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 Oh.
Ooh.
What?
Where you going?
And she is drooling. She wanna run. Oh my God.
Oh.
She is drooling.
Yeah.
Oh, that was good, huh? That's enough for you. That was a big treat. That was. She's like, I want some more of that. That was good, Taji. That was so good. Oh my God, Taji. Oh, please. I'll sit here all day.
Another one.
Just give it to me. Oh, I'm not.
Make sure y'all share this video, you know what I'm saying? Help out, show out, and give us love. Ain't that right? Just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
She's gonna try peace. Let's throw it up.
Hey. She gonna start barking.
How is it?
It's okay. You ate some?